2018 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 mpg rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, advanced technology package, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, MP3 capability, heated front seats, trip computer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, HD radio, overhead console, tilt steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.